Are you tired of spending hours on repetitive Excel tasks that should take minutes? Making careless mistakes when cleaning and formatting your data? Wishing Excel had shortcuts for the tasks you do most often? Getting lost in massive workbooks with dozens of sheets? Welcome to Excel Macros, where I will teach you how to work smarter, not harder, by automating your most time-consuming task with just one click, by creating the Excel features you wish existed. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to level up your skills, this video series will give you the practical tools to save hours every week and become the Excel hero of your office or your college. Let's get started. So what exactly are macros? Think of macros as your personal Excel robot that watches what you do, remembers it, and can repeat those exact steps anytime you want. Instead of manually performing the same 15 steps every time you get new data, you can record those steps once, save them as a macro, and then run the entire sequence with just one click or keyboard shortcut. And the best part, you don't need to be a programmer to create basic macros. Excel's macro recorder does all the heavy lifting for you. Now before we begin, you will need access to the developer tab in Excel. If you don't see a developer tab here, just right click on any of the button, click on customize the ribbon, and just turn on the developer tab here. Now let's create your first macro with a common example we all face: formatting raw data into a professional looking report. I have this raw sales data here. It's complete, but it is not presentation ready. We will need to format the header, change the format of the currencies, change the format of the dates, change the width of the columns, add some colors to it, and so on. Now first, go to developer, click on record macro, and for now let us give it as formatting sheets. And you can give a shortcut key here so that whenever you press the shortcut key, automatically the macro will start running. For now, I am pressing F for formatting. Store macro in for now. Let us just keep it as this workbook, and you can give a description here and click OK. Now every step that you do is now being recorded by Excel. First go to cell A1 and let us just choose a color from here to format the company name. You can give whatever color you want, and remember, whatever you do is being recorded by Excel macro. So Excel is recording that you went to cell A1 and you did some formatting. Okay. Now let us go to cell A3 where all of your headers to be present. Now just select all of the columns by pressing Ctrl Shift and right arrow mark. Press Ctrl B to bold it. Now let us format the date values. Select all the dates after going to cell D3. Click Ctrl 1 and then choose your format. For now, I will just add DDMMYYYY. That's it. This is done. Now I will select the whole of the table. I will center align everything. I will change the font. Keep it as 11 itself. And I will press L Alt HOI so that all the columns are set to auto width. Now, the next thing that I need to do is, for full name and product, I don't need to center align, I just need the left alignment. And for all the number values, I need currency with exactly 2 decimal places. Okay, this looks fine. Now let me select everything and add borders to it. First all borders and then thick outside borders. This looks good. This looks good. Now let me add background to the headers. Let me add a light shade of grey. Okay, this looks fine. Let me go to developer again and then stop recording the macro. Done. All of your actions are recorded in this macro. Whenever you click run, the whole of this macro will start to run. Now, if you want to format in the same way every other sheet, you will have to make sure the data format is consistent, as in here. And then all you have to do is go to developer, click on macros and then run it, or simply press the shortcut button that you have saved. What was it? It was Ctrl F. As you can see, every step that you have performed here was recorded and then repeated by Excel macros step by step as you would have done it. Now, who will remember all the shortcuts for multiple macros that you create? Instead, what you can do is you can simply go to File, click on Options, go to Quick Access Toolbar and select Macros here. Simply select the name of a macro and simply add it here. You have simply added your formatting macro to the Quick Access Toolbar. Just click on OK. Now, you go to your sheet which is not formatted, and then you can simply click here. This is your formatting macro, right? You can see the little name popping up here. If you simply click it, see, your data is formatted. How cool is this? I mean, you literally can create macros for every repetitive task that you do. And this is just scratching the surface of what macros can do for you. This simple example already shows how macros can transform your Excel workflow by saving valuable time, ensuring consistent formatting, eliminating human error, and making complex processes very simple. In our next videos, we will explore how to share macros with your team so that other people are surprised at what you have just created. We will learn how to create macros that work with data of any size, add user-friendly buttons to your spreadsheets so that people who don't know macros can just click that button to automate their tasks, and gradually introduce some simple VBA to make your macros even more powerful. If this video helped you, please hit that like button and subscribe for more Excel time savers. Drop a comment with the repetitive Excel task that drives you crazy, and I might feature a macro solution in my next video. Remember, Excel should work for you, not the other way around. With macros, you are now in control. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.